Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So I'm here today with my 2001 BMW Z3, and the washers are doing this. So as you can probably see in here the pump's working, but there's not much water squirting out basically from the nozzle. So based on the way that sorry, just dropped something. So based on the way that there's initially some water that squirts out and then it stops, and the fact that both of the nozzles are behaving in the same way, I'm pretty certain that what's causing this is the filter at the pump, which is probably blocked and needs cleaning out. But nonetheless, on a just in case basis, I have just gently tried sort of cleaning out the nozzles up here, just using sort of these sorts of implements. But as I suspected, that hasn't made a difference, so we are going to need to get after that filter at the washer pump. Okay, so I've never done this job on a Z3 before, but I'm pleased to see, having just opened the bonnet, that it looks like it's going to be reasonably easy compared to some cars, because the washer bottle is just here, and the pump, actually you can see it just down there. You could probably get to it without even taking the washer bottle off, but it looks like the washer bottle is only just held on by those two nuts there. So I think for the sake of just making the rest of the job easier, I'm just going to take out that washer bottle, maybe empty the pump out the washer fluid first, maybe just to keep things a bit more tidy. But yeah, let me do that and come back on the next shot. Okay, so this step is probably not particularly necessary, but I've got one of these vacuum extractor kits anyway, so I thought I might as well use it just to pump out the old washer fluid, and then that just makes the rest of the job a little bit easier and tidier basically. But you know, obviously if you haven't got one of these, you could just manage without, I'm sure. Okay, so it's just the two 10mm nuts there, and then it does just lift off. Let's disconnect the wiring, pull this off. Okay, so my guess is, yeah, I think I can see that basically. I'll show you guys more clear in a sec, but this incorporates a filter basically, and I think I'm pretty sure I can see just visually that it's blocked. Let me just get that out. Let's try and keep this in shot. Oh, there you go. Yeah, yuck. I've never quite seen one like that before. Okay, all right, let's get that cleaned up, and I think that's going to fix the problem. Oh, I realised I was holding this not within shot earlier in the previous clip, so but just just to show you, that is really gooey. Yeah, I've never seen one go quite that gooey before. That's really weird. Let's give this a wash. As you can see, we can see more of the actual filter bit. Okay, let me properly finish washing that without the phone in my way. Right, there we go guys, nice and clean. I did actually have to use this toothbrush in like a bit of a gentle sort of stabbing motion like that, just to sort of like get all the all those little gaps within the filter all nice and clean. But sorted. Let's get this put back on. I'm pretty sure the problem's going to be fixed. Okay, so the filter, the pump and the washer bottle are back on. I did use the hose to jet out the inside of the washer bottle before putting it back on. And even though I had initially thought I might reuse that washer fluid, I've decided not to. So I've just sort of just filled it half back up at the moment with some clean water and some cleaner washer fluid. So let's give it a try, make sure it works. Right, so we're inside the Z3. By the way, I do really like the old school dashboard design on these Z3s. I mean, some of the dashboards and some of the newer BMWs, what they are thinking, I really don't know. I think they've gone mad. But anyway. So yes, back with the program, ignition on. I mean, look at even the way all those lights light up. I mean, that just looks so nice compared to like just the kind of like the random kind of odd looking designs on some of the new ones. I know I'm gone off on a bit of a digression and a rant here, but it really bugs me. I mean, if this is perfect, why did they have to change this? It doesn't make sense. Right, anyway, let's see if back with the program, let's see if these washers work. And yes, they do. Maybe need a little bit of adjusting, but they're certainly working very well. Right, that's it, guys. Fixed. Hope that's, as always, thank you for watching, and hope you find it interesting and helpful, and I will catch you all on another video soon. Bye bye.